Khutna Chak is spoon people chow ya there. I'm going to edit my Khutna Chak, but Machu Chaba tamni biryani. My Khutna Chak has a macha. Ryan Umorok Ryan see biryani later. Thong baby. Cannot hold tray, huh?
Are you making a video?
Huh?
Are you making a video? Why?
Because then chicken gravy crush me, my he kitang cannot own a wine now. The Loisele TV again, my husband. Chicken manam there. Ryan how bra? Ryan get the chicken green. I did color topi ba. Spicy have chicken da. Ryan, it's good. It's spicy. You like it? Oh, I couldn't try this spoon people chow ya there. I'm going to edit my Khutna Chak, but Machu Chaba tamni biryani. You want yogurt? No? Try ma'am Simone Sana number.
Okay.
Okay? This is paneer, you know, last time you had?
Isn't it like milk?
Yeah. Tofu, you know?
Yeah.
Did you eat tofu?
Yeah, I made tofu before.
Yeah, like that. Can I put gravy? No?
Yeah, I guess I can try it.
I can put some biryani and chicken also. My Khutna Chak has a dress of macha. I mean, ma. The different child of my Khutna is spoon people chow. Ah, who put the thing I did? My heart over it. I'll bring some more biryani, okay? Dinner the biryani hapura. Chicken di arma. Ryan the chicken piece still later. Okay, I'll bring some biryani rice, okay? Ryan ji. Mama na so hai the Indian food pa me spicy pa me na do. Ngasi di phangne pijare na kai da chamba pijabane. Shall I put some more this paneer gravy? Paneer piece also? Aina chicken gravy do de Umorok thaksin graba do na mu sa ga da na do di pibidre. Maybe it's not spicy. He is spicy father. Umorok father. Ryan Umorok Ryan ngasi.
I finished all the spices.
Adu kan do chicken to chow Ryan. Adu chicken green ne without spicy ne nang baby nga nang gagi. Ryan. Chicken to chow. Second round. Edi nang kai hapo. Yaraba. Chicken piece yaraba. Yara. Right. One more? Okay. Paneer sing is asin gira. Ryan, you want paneer piece more?
What's that?
This one paneer. This is called paneer. Okay, you can take, okay? Ma so mana thon si chingkhat la chari. Moro sa si. Ngai ni ma. It's too spicy? No?
This is so burnt my tongue because one of these were like
Mama.